News alert tonight. Tornado siren testing today in Graves County, Kentucky did not go as planned. Allie Lynch is at the WKRN.com alert desk. Allie?
Yeah, Bob, the county planned for a tornado warning siren test this afternoon, but officials say it did not work properly. Now this comes after 2 of the county's 11 storm warning sirens were damaged by the EF4 tornado that ripped through the region on December 10th. Graves County officials say they are continuing to work on getting the system repaired, but they say those repairs will begin next week due to the holiday weekend. And News 2 stays on top of breaking news 24/7. Just download the free News 2 app for instant updates.